Let's navigate to the proposals section in the navbar. And then we can see in our proposal dashboard all our proposals per client. So in this case, Bob the Builder, we can see all of his proposals and then the statuses here and a little update. So I'm going to show two options that we can do. We can either upload an existing proposal. This would be like a PDF, but I'm going to show you how to create a proposal from scratch. So let's select our client. In this case, I'm going with Bob the Builder. Now we've got three options. We can either use our default template that we provide you. You can use your own custom template, or we can build from scratch. I'm just going to show you our default template. Once that's loaded, this is the interface that we can see. And it's pretty straightforward. If you're familiar with editing a Google Doc or a Word doc, you'll be able to edit, this interface. So let's just go with a proposal title. Let's say we wanted to give it a web design proposal. Once that's done, on the left-hand side, just to show you the navigation, so we can either copy a link and send it to the client, which I'll show you. We can download it, and we can send it as an email to a client, or we can save it as a reusable template. So just before that, this is how our default template looks like. And let's say I wanted to add an image. I would go here, look for the image icon. And there we insert our image, just let it load a bit. Then we can resize it and do all of the customizations, So yeah, you've got bold, you've got the different heading types. We can align it, add links, add a table, emojis. So pretty much everything that you need to create a good, simple proposal. So let's say we're done. We're happy with our proposal. What are the next steps? We need to add our signature. And we've got three options here. We can either write it by text, add an image, upload an image, or we can draw. So let's just say I'm going to keep it simple. I'm going to do text. Now the system just reloads. It takes 2 or 3 seconds. And now we can see our order trail. So we can see that I signed it at this date on this time via this email, and here's my IP address. So now we're ready to send it to the client. We've got two options. I can either copy this link and literally send it to a client. I'm going to show you how that looks like opening in incognito mode so that it doesn't override my login settings. So let's say I'm the client. This is the view that I would see as the client. So scroll down, I'm looking at it, but let's go to the client signature. So I'm the client, and let's say I wanted to draw this. So client, there we go. And now we can see here, the IP address is exactly the same as what I have. So obviously that shows that it's me signing as the client, and then their email, and then, the date and time. If you wanted to, you can also send it as an email. So you send it as an email to, from your email address. You will be able to update it soon once you've got white label, subject, message, and then you can also send a follow-up reminder email if they didn't sign it, right? So this is how you would set it up here. And that's basically how it works. So I'm going to go back to my dashboard now, and I'll hit refresh, and then we should see in the notification, bar that the client actually signed it. So there we go. Bob the Builder, sign your proposal. We'll also get an email notification, and that is as simple as the proposal builder works in ClientManager. Any questions? Let me know in the comments below. Hope you find it helpful. Thank you.